learning the Dart language. Welcome to Around the Code Studio. We're going to talk about the editor. Now, the editor is an IDE. It's an integrated development environment. It takes your source code, I got it written wrong here, binary, Dart code, since we're talking about Dart, and it turns into binary machine code, which is basically language that the computer understands ones and zeros, because as you know, the computer only understands the on and off switch between the transistors. IDEs have features such as auto-completion or a debugger. Debugger allows you to find flaws in your program, and auto-completion allows you to write faster code. Maybe you don't remember how to write certain methods, or like the init or dispose, which we'll learn about later. Maybe even a class structure. You can auto-complete certain things that you commonly use or developers commonly use. Either IDEs can come in miniature sizes, so like a virtual machine runtime interpreter, such as a Dart pad. So again, it takes your source code compiler and it compiles it into binary machine code. Dart is used to be just in time, but because of the Flutter framework, they wanted to develop for iOS and Android. So Flutter framework allows you to develop for mobile applications. So you can use one code base in Dart using the Flutter framework, and you can develop for iOS and Android devices. But iOS has a certain policy where all the code must be compiled ahead of time. So that's where the AOT comes in. And Dart is an OOP language, which we'll go through later on in the video. So everything is an object, basically, and you will know this in future videos. We will go more thoroughly through what OOP is and why it's used. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you guys again.